every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! We're gonna need 460 grams of oats, 240 grams of slivered almonds, 150 grams of dark raisins, 130 grams of dry cranberries, 50 grams of walnuts chopped, 50 grams of brown sugar, half a cup of honey, half a cup of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and quarter of a teaspoon of salt. I started by turning on my oven to preheat to 150 degrees. And while that's happening, I'm going to mix together the oats, almonds, walnuts, brown sugar, salt, and cinnamon. I will also whisk together the vegetable oil, honey, and vanilla extract. And then pour this goodness all over my dried fruits and nuts. Can you guess what's next? You're right, mixing everything together. While trying to resist eating it, I'll spread the mixture evenly in one layer on a large baking sheet. This will go into the oven for 40 minutes, and I'll make sure to give it a toss every 10 minutes or so for even baking. Once it comes out of the oven, I'm going to toss in the raisins and cranberries, and that's it. I let this cool down so that it would get its texture, you know, like granola is, like crispy and crunchy, not really soft. And while this is warm, it's soft, so that's why. I already know that I will love this because I tried Laura's granola recipe from her cookbook, and my family, me included, were a huge fan of that one. I don't really remember what it was like what exact nuts and fruits she was using, but the whole idea, I'm a huge fan. It's interesting, I never was a fan of like granola type things, you know, bought in a store, but this totally won my heart. This is wonderful for breakfast. Look at me as I'm scraping it away. I love it for breakfast. I love it as a snack whenever I feel hungry. When you make it yourself, you can choose whatever you like. Don't like something, omit and just substitute with something else that you like. I love that part of these kinds of recipes. And interestingly, even though I'm not a huge fan of raisins, I don't know why I'm doing this right now. Multitasking, huh? I like them in this kind of recipes. I already have a couple of recipes lined up which need granola, so I will definitely be using this one. This is great. This is, you know, kind of sticky, a little bit sweet. It has a very cool, like brown sugar, you know. Brown sugar always gives this extra to the recipe. So honey, sugar, this is a bomb of a granola. No complaints. Very happy gal here. Excited to try the recipes that will use this. Basically for breakfast actually. Ooh. If you want, I should show you that. How rude of me. I didn't even put it anywhere because I'm planning to put a nice jar which I will be keeping on my windowsill so I would see it I love seeing such colorful things, especially when I make them myself. So this is how mine looks like. This is Laura's. If you want to watch her make it, the link is there in the cards. If you want to try this recipe yourself, as I mentioned, the only important thing about this recipe is the ratio. Everything else is pick and choose what you like. So the written recipe is in the description box down below in both imperial and the metric system. So whatever you're using, you're covered. As I cannot stop staring at it because it does look cool. So colorful. Oh, I will be running away. If you want more recipes like this, the whole playlist is here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!